Hello everyone, welcome to Sorisum channel. Today, I want to invite you to the top 10 facial acne videos. I will give you information about facial acne so that you will never suffer from these problems. Before I continue to explain, please like and subscribe to my channel, thank you. Hormonal changes, particularly an increase in androgens, can boost sebum, natural skin oil, production, causing acne. Diet, high sugar or dairy-rich foods may aggravate acne. Stress can increase hormone production, which may contribute to acne. Genetics, if parents had acne, there's a higher chance of experiencing it. Cosmetic products, products with oils can clog pores and lead to acne. Regular cleansing, washing skin with gentle cleansers and avoiding overwashing, as it can irritate skin and increase oil production. Benzoyl peroxide helps dry out skin oils and reduce bacteria. Retinoids, vitamin A derivatives that promote skin exfoliation and pore clearing. Topical antibiotics, such as clindamycin, effective for reducing inflammation and bacteria. Antibiotics, like doxycycline, prescribed for severe acne. Isotretinoin, Accutane, a powerful medication used for resistant acne. Healthy diet, eating fresh fruits and vegetables and reducing sugar and fat intake can aid in reducing acne. Clinical treatments, procedures like laser therapy, chemical peels, and dermabrasion are used for reducing acne scars and treating severe cases. Foods with a high glycemic index, e.g. sugary drinks, white bread, chips, can increase insulin levels, consequently boosting sebum production. Avoid touching the face. Touching the face with dirty hands can transfer bacteria, worsening acne. Use sunscreen. Appropriate sunscreen helps prevent acne from worsening. Among the foods containing vitamin A, the following can be mentioned. Vegetable oils such as wheat germ oil, peanut oil and olive oil, nuts, seeds, whole grains, milk. Most vegetables include spinach, beets, red peppers, and avocados. There are a number of very different theories about how sunlight and artificial UV light, e.g. in tanning beds, affect acne. Some people think that UV light improves acne, while others believe that it makes acne worse. There's no evidence that it has any benefits. But exposing your skin to sunlight or artificial UV rays for too long is known to damage your skin. Everyone should use sunscreen to protect their skin when spending time in the sun, including people who have acne. Many people try to manage acne by squeezing pimples, following a thorough skin care routine or wearing foundation. Others hope things will improve if they change their diet or expose their skin to sunlight. But which of these strategies helps, and which might be harmful? Countless soaps, toners, lotions and creams for people with acne are available in shops and on the internet. These products are popular because many people with acne are willing to spend a lot of time and money on skin care. But less is often more. Touching or rubbing your skin too much and constantly trying out new skin care products can make acne worse. Many young men who have acne aren't sure how to best shave their face. There are no good scientific studies on whether it's better to wet shave or dry shave if you have acne. One thing that is clear, though, is that touching or rubbing your skin a lot can encourage inflammation, make your complexion worse and increase the likelihood of scarring. So choosing between a wet or dry shave probably isn't that critical. The most important thing is to be careful when shaving and avoid injuring the skin if possible. Normal soaps have a high pH, 8 to 10, and can irritate your skin. Soap-free cleansing products that have a similar pH to skin, 5.5, are more suitable for people with acne. Antibacterial face washes can have a positive effect in mild acne, but might also irritate more sensitive skin. Washing your skin too much, for instance, several times a day can dry your skin out and irritate it even more. The most important thing is to be aware of the fact that you aren't to blame for having acne. Acne isn't caused by things like eating the wrong kinds of foods or poor hygiene. It is mostly due to hormones, which are especially active during puberty and cause the skin to produce more oil. Girls and women often use concealer or foundation to cover up their pimples. This makes them feel more comfortable in public. Young men sometimes use subtle foundation, powder, and concealer as well. Generally speaking, very greasy cosmetics and skin care products can block pores. A consultation with a dermatologist or in a beauty salon might help here. But it's hard to predict how a specific product will affect the skin. So trial and error is often the best way to find out which cover-up products work best for you personally. Before starting any treatment, it is advised to consult a dermatologist to ensure that the most effective methods and medications are chosen according to your skin type and acne severity.